Hi everybody, this is Profe John and we have week 4 this week. So let's start with the general information. Please make sure to check your announcements on GTL as well as your email. That is going to be the same information, but I have double N just in case you forget to visit your DQL or you forget to check your email. This is an email I send you every single week, so you may be used to this already. But in case you had missed the information, please feel free to check the previous announcements. It's there. Also, consider to follow our calendar just because we have strict due dates for submission of assignment reflections and also for participation within the discussion post that you have every single week. And it is distributed along the week so that you can participate, comment on others, and reply to others along the week. So, and last thing, remember that we use Arizona time for the submissions, so make sure you are following accordingly. So let's go to content and what we have for this week. For this week, that is week 4, we have deciding how to showcase your learning in your e-portfolio. So remember, this class is about the e-portfolio and you are building it little by little, in which we are using artifacts from your previous general education classes that are basically signature assignments and also from your major and minor artifacts that you want to share or that are in connection with our transferable skills. So for this week, read first is going to be your main reference here. Make sure to complete the readings. That is important for the reflections and also for the discussion. It's going to give you triggering information or some connection that you may want to have or to do within your discussions and your reflections that are expected. And make sure about the participation of this week in the discussion post and also the weekly reflections. This is the important points of the week. And also because in the future, I think that next week we are going to have more demanding assignments. That's why you don't have that many readings or that many assignments. So some heads up in advance. And for the reading reflections, again, you have 3 questions. Please complete them as expected. So particularly, if you don't remember what are the expectations, please start here or week 1 with the guidelines for the assignments. That's important, and the grading rubric. And we have the discussion post. So remember, in the discussion post, you have a section for responding questions and some other section for updating your e-portfolio. Both are equally important. In the case you have missed the e-portfolio, regardless of the completion of your discussion, you are going to receive half grade because the important part, okay, both are important, but you are expected to have both. The engagement with the discussion board and also the e-portfolio update. Therefore, make sure to check grades. And in grades, you have a column for feedback or comments. And you have individual feedback that the only person who can see is yourself. And you have general feedback in which I put a document. For example, for the reflection, if something is missing or if you don't receive full grades, I make sure that to copy or to add this information in addition to the comments I made for you so that you know why you don't have full grade. And also for the weekly discussions, so that are included with the e-portfolio as well. So what you have, if you see this little resume here, summary here, this is the purpose of this general doc. I always put the discussion post and the general feedback. Discussion post and general feedback just because I know that sometimes there are several questions within the question, so maybe you forgot something. So I put it there so that I make sure that you are completing all the responses as expected. And in terms of the e-portfolio, I give you some ideas, like what is missing. If you are missing, let's say, make it available, something that I comment in week 2. I address you, please consider week 1 item regarding posting and publishing. Or if you are missing what is an artifact or what is expected with the artifact, like the reflection prompt, I put it like check week 2, item 4 regarding learning activities and reflection prompt. This is important because I'm not going to repeat all the responses, all the feedback. That's why you're expected to read the feedback from the first moment. So other than that, I think that's all. If you have any question, any doubt, just let me know. And that's all. Bye-bye.